Hello, in this video we will see how we can use the drum kit track type. For that we're going to go over here, we're going to select drum kit and we're going to save it. And when we go in, you can see this looks like the regular piano editor. The only difference is in the header we have the name of the various one shots that we can add. Currently we have not added any one shots, so it's all black in color. So you can either click on the header and look for a sample and then add it there, or you can drag drop it. In this we'll also introduce how to use a sample browser. To use a sample browser, one of the things that you have to do is you have to go to option, settings. In the settings you have to set up your samples folder over here. You can then go over to sample browser and click on reindex. I would recommend having a sample folder which has like 3000 4000 files, not anything more than that, because it will take a long time to index and stuff like that. When you hit reindex, it will basically go through all the files, figure out what the BPM is and all the necessary things, the key and what are the tags it can associate based on the file name and things like that. It will do the whole thing. Here you can see that we have all the drums loaded up here. So for our setup, so what we're going to do is we're going to now quickly create a drum pattern. So for that I'm going to go to the wizard, look at a drum pattern. I'm going to start with standard and I'm going to insert the clip. So as soon as you do this, it creates a MIDI pattern for a 1-bar drum loop. So there are other patterns here. So let's assume that this is the kick. So I'm going to drag the kick drum over here. You can also draw notes onto the piano editor. It's not necessary that you have to use just the drum pattern. This is a regular piano editor. Drag the kick drum onto here and I'm going to drag the snare over here and I'm going to copy the hi-hat over here. So now anything that is highlighted like this means that that row has a sample in it. Now let's play this and see how it sounds. Let's try a different snare. So this is how you can create your own drum kits. So you can add any samples to any rows and then create a MIDI pattern out of it. The same sample browser can also be used for dropping things onto your sample thing. So let me just look at this. Let's quickly go to, now that we have a drum loop there, let's set the BPM to 128 and let's drop a sample. Let's go over to producer music lab, mesmerize. So let's look at audio loop and look at instrument loops. Let's just piano here. So if you look at it, this track is a MIDI track. This is a sample track. So now let's play the whole thing. Let's see how it sounds. So this is how you can mix drum tracks, MIDI tracks and sample tracks. So just let's add a MIDI track here and we'll try to play all the three together for MIDI. Let's try Serum 2. Let's go over here. Let's go over here. Let's go to bass lines. Let's try a root plus fifth. Okay, let's make this also 1 bar. Let's go to the VST, select factory bass. And how this is going to sound, let's try this out. Okay. Now let's close this. So now you can see we have a drum kit, we have a sample track and we have a MIDI track. Now let's play VST MIDI track basically. Let's play this. What we have here is the mixer. So now let me play this and we can click here to start the entire scene together. Here we can actually control the volume up and down for individual tracks. And then we can mute, solo, and you can use the pan to the left, pan to the right. And you can also add effects over here. So when you click on this, you will see all the effects that are available in your VST. So you can select any of the VST effects, add it, and then you can control it. So this is how you can actually use the software to compose and create a song or a live set. Thank you for watching.